Hi, I'm Jeff Sengstack, the author of this Infinite Skills course on using the video and animation features in Adobe Photoshop. In this lesson, I'm going to give you a rundown on all the topics we're going to cover in this course. We're going to start off by explaining who can benefit from using the Photoshop video features. In that lesson, I'm also going to talk about what kind of knowledge you need to have to take this course. The basic caveat is that you shouldn't be a Photoshop beginner if you want to take this course. From there, we'll talk about the general workflow, the video production workflow inside Photoshop. With all that theoretical stuff out of the way, we'll start getting to work by adding assets to our projects. And our assets can include things like video files, audio files, photos, and graphics. You're not limited to just working with video in the video features section of Photoshop. From there, we're going to arrange and trim clips on the timeline. This is really where the rubber meets the road. This is the main part of video editing, when you put clips in the right order and trim away stuff that you don't want to have show up in your final project. You can also add, adjust, and mix audio. You're not limited to just the audio inside the video files. You can use transitions between clips like cross dissolves. You can put clips in motion. You can zoom and pan using some automated features, or you can animate them manually using what are called keyframes, have them change over time, not only motion but also opacity and Photoshop filters and layer styles. This is a very powerful part of working with video inside Photoshop. You have access to all the Photoshop tools when you're working with video. Those tools also include working with text and graphics. You can animate text, you can have it move around, you can apply filters to that as well and have them change over time. Finally, you wrap up the video production process by exporting your project, that is, converting it into a video file that people can watch. And then I'll wrap up this course by showing you a few resources that you can tap to learn even more about the video features inside Photoshop. We've got a lot of ground to cover here, folks, so let's get started.